Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Multi Recipes and Cookeries channel. Today, we have a delightful treat in store for you, a homemade matcha green tea cake with a burst of fresh raspberry goodness. It's the perfect blend of earthy matcha and the sweet tang of raspberries. So, let's dive right into it. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this cake. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1½ teaspoon matcha green tea powder. 1½ teaspoon baking powder. ½ teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1½ cups granulated sugar. 3 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup buttermilk. 1 cup fresh raspberries. Let's get started with the first steps. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. In a mixing bowl, combine your dry ingredients. So, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoon of matcha green tea powder, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In another bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened unsalted butter and 1½ cups of granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy. Then, add in 3 large eggs one at a time, making sure each one is well incorporated. Follow that up with a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add your dry mixture to the wet mixture in thirds, alternating with 1 cup of buttermilk. Mix until just combined, you don't want to overmix. For that burst of raspberry flavor, gently fold in 1 cup of fresh raspberries. The beauty of this cake is the contrast between the earthy matcha and the sweet tart raspberries. Pour the batter into your prepared cake pans, and smooth out the tops. Pop them into your preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean when inserted into the center of the cakes. You can use your favorite frosting, a cream cheese frosting or a white chocolate ganache work wonderfully with this cake. Frost the top and sides of the entire cake. For a finishing touch, you can decorate with more fresh raspberries and a sprinkle of matcha powder for an elegant, inviting look. And there you have it, a beautiful homemade matcha green tea cake with raspberry. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. A delightful fusion of flavors and a visual treat. Don't forget to like and subscribe Multi Recipes and Cookeries channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much matcha green tea cake lovers.